Test. I got my mic. I got my mic. I got my mic. I got it. I got my mic doubles. Yes, sir. Let's do a mic check. 1 2 1 2. Let's go. Let's go it. Let's do it. Let's do it, doubles. Are we live? Are we live? Let's get a mic check. 1 2. Mic check. 1 2. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. 1 1 2 2 2 1 1 1. How we doing, doubles? We got some liveness on the social media. We live. Are we live? Are we live? Doubles, are we live? All right, let's get this going. Let's get it. All right, we need our little relative strength index over here. RSI, baby. Relative strength index. There we go. All right. Doubles, all right. Let's make it a little fancy. Let's make it with a little whiteness right there and make the line a little bit thicker. A little thick. Make it thicker. There we go. How we doing, doubles? Are we ready? All right, we're live. Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one. Parabolics in the house. We like to call him the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker. And it's another episode of Power Play. Folks, let me break it down to you. Let me tell you what Power Play is all about. All right, so there's always that mad rush in the morning where people are trading up a storm. You know that. A lot of people trade during the morning. And then after that, they take a break. They chill out. They go and have a fajita. Or it's Taco Tuesday. They have a taco. Or maybe they have a slice of pizza. Or maybe they have some California fresh kale. I mean, I don't know. Kale. I don't know. I mean, it depends on whatever you want, right? Could be anything. So, bottom line, there's usually a lull in the volume until Power Hour. Power Hour is 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when a lot more volume comes in. And when volume comes in, there's more likelihood that a stonk is going to run parabolic, baby. Parabolic, cha-cha-cha. Parabolic, cha-cha-cha. Right. So here's what we do. We take a look at our custom scanners from our Discord. The private Discord has custom scanners, one of which is the market mover scanners, and we use them as our watch list for stocks that might actually go parabolic again during Power Hour. And we'll check out the news on them, the float, the volume, a whole bunch of things, technical analysis on the charts, all that stuff. We check it out and we do it with you. We share the private Discord's custom scanners with you, and then we put it on high heat and let them cook for a little while, because obviously the volume is not going to be back in until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So they might run, but more likely than not, they're going to run more as we get closer to the Power Hour. Right now, it's 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so there's still a whole bunch of time before Power Hour comes in. So we go ahead and review the stocks, then we put them on high heat so they could simmer and cook a little. You don't want them raw. You want them well done so you can make some money. You know what I'm saying? Money. Like this, doubles, like that, bro. Bank, baby, bank. Getting some charts in the air. There you go, like that, right? And what we do in the interim while the stonks are cooking and marinating in their own juices is we go ahead and play a little Fortnite to entertain you, get dubs for the community. We dedicate the wins to the community. The indelible tribe. That's you, my peoples. That is you. So let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up. We're going to go ahead and review some stocks. We're going to go ahead and play some Fortnite, get some wins for the community and all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. Make sure you set the notifications on so you never miss an episode of the Microcap Morning Show. My host, DBL Nick's in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, is the host of the Microcap Morning Show, which is at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. It's pre-market into the open with his special co-host, the one and only, the huntress. We call her the huntress of all parabolic things. We call her the Serengeti specialist because she has a bushy tail and she hangs out in the high weeds and she gets ready to ensnarl the next ABCD bull pattern and bring it into the tribe as a victory for the tribe, baby. A parabolic play. She's also known as DBL Moms. Let's go, baby. It's not a party unless you have the secret weapon, and we got the secret weapon. We got the Serengeti specialist. We got the bushy-tailed one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, folks, let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up. Also, make sure you're following us on x.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, baby. At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, financial news in that channel, as well as pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, Monday through Friday, everything and anything having to do with small cap and micro cap stocks, baby. And, of course, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And we are also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL and ICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby. And of course, if you'd like to access all the custom scanners, if you'd like to access all the news features, all the search features, we also provide 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, everything having to do with the stock market news, as well as the ability to search news on stocks that are running or search news on stocks that you want to research on. And if you want educational content galore, and if you want an amazing community as well, you could go ahead and join our Discord and try it out for a 4-day trial for $9.99. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Go ahead and click that link and let us know that you saw us on the stream. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get some folks in the stream. Let's get the first 100, 200 folks in there, and we'll start checking out some charts. QNCX is on the screen right now. This stock has gone absolutely bonkers, well over 250%. Currently, it's pulled back. It's up right now, 200%. It needs to break this downtrend right here. So we're going to get the graffiti pencil activated. It needs to break this downtrend, and hopefully it can do that. Let's say it potentially could be a descending wedge, bull reversal. Could it be? 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 Let's see what happens. Okay, I want to get another. Come on, stop that right there. Let's get another indicator in here. I want to put the non-EMA, exponential moving average, exponential moving average. Let's get it over here. Let's put it over here. Let's do it. 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 I only need it once. I don't need it twice. Let's get that one out of there. There we go. All right. Let's give it a nice, big, juicy color. Let's make it nice and thick. I want it to be thick, doubles. I want it to be thick. Right there. Boom. Chakalaka. Right there, baby. All right. So we can see that the 90. Why is it doing that? Come on. Stop that. The 90 MA, right? Hold on. Let's do that. Right there we go. Descending wedge. The 90 MA is significantly extended from the volume weighted average. The RSI is closer to the overbought area, but it's kind of hanging out in the central area of the RSI, which indicates indecisiveness on the part of buyers and sellers. Volume is down. Of course, we are during a break before the power hours, so we'll see what happens. But right now, it looks like it's going to pull down some more, but hopefully, eventually, that 90 MA will curl and move upward. Let's go ahead and get a dub for the community while we wait for peoples to come into the viewing community. Viewing community. Yes, sir. All right, let's get that share party going on. We're looking at QNCX forming a descending wedge, hopefully a bull reversal. JZXN currently up 71%. 71%. Let's go, baby. And we got FGL currently up 50%. FGL currently up 50% on light volume. FGL up 50% on light volume. Volume, I tell you, volume. PHIO up on news earlier this morning. 44%. Doubles. 44%, bruh. 44%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. 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 Doubles. Let's do it. 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 All right, here we go. All right, let's get it, doubles. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, NKTR up 40%. And here we go. We're jumping. Let's get that share party. We're almost up to 100, folks. Let's go for 200. Let's share it up. NKTR up 40%. All right, doubles. All right, my friend. Doubles HURA currently up 40%. Heavy float. Needs volume. Doubles. Wow, there's not much over here, huh? Wow, what the heck? There's no loot here, bro. All right. I say we push this fella real quick. What do you think, doubles? Get out of here, bruh. 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 Just like that, bruh. What do you think, doubles? What do you say? What do you think, doubles? What do you think? What do you say? Uh-huh. All right. Alright, what's that? What is that? What is that? The Oni mask? The Oni mask. The mask of Oni, bruh. Alright. Alright, doubles. Look at those guys, they're dancing over there, bro. The NPCs. They're just dancing. They're chilling, bro. Let's get that share party. We're almost up to 100. Somebody's shooting at them. Somebody's shooting nearby. Ooh, a little jetpack. Why not? I feel like... Where is that, bro? Oh! Sweetness. Oh, dude, look at this weapon, bro. Holy Toledo! Let's go, baby! Oh, migration, bro. Oh, migration. Wait a minute, I'm missing the weapon over here. Uh-oh. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, fool. All right. Just like that, bruh. Just like that, bruh. Just like that, bruh. That's how we do it, bruh. Now I just need ammo. I got great weapons. I got me some great weapons. Dude, these weapons are off the chart. Let's get a share party. Let's get a dub for the community. QNCX moving. Breaking out of a descending wedge. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Doubles, why not? Oh my. All right, let's go ahead and get some loot here. Bye-bye, fool. Bye-bye, fool. Bye-bye, fool. What do you think, Doubles? Bye-bye, fool. Let's get a share party. Ooh, that was slurpalicious, bro. Doubles. What do I do, Doubles? Med kits? Half pots? What do I do? We're in zone. I'm gonna go with the half pots, bro. Bye-bye, fool! And of course, now we get, bro. Now we get the Slurpee stuff over here, right? Look at this. I can't give up these guns. They're too good, bro. Nothing here I want, bro. Ooh, look at this thing right here. I like that too. Maybe I'll take that instead. There's a lot going on around here, bro. You hear it? Let's do that. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm happy with what I got. Doubles, woo! Wow! 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 Doubles, wow! I'm going to move on out, bruh. What do you say to that, Doubles? What do you say? What do you say, Doubles? I likes my weapons, Doubles. I likes them. I like it. Alex is in the house. What's up, Alex? Hello, Alex. Alex says QNCX moving. There you go. Descending wedge, pull reversal, pull reversal. Oh man, I was talking to Alex and you start shooting at me? For real, fella? For real, for real? Look at this creature, bro. What the heck, yo? Oh, the guy's on the roof, bro. He's on the mountain. Did you see that? The guy's on the mountain. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno, bro. It's all right. I'll come back and get you. I'll come back and get you, fella. I'll come back and get you, fellow. All right, all right, all right. Let's keep going. Let's get that shit party. We're almost at 200. Let's get to 300. Alex said, get him. I'm trying. He knows my name ain't Bobby. But if you've, oh, I got an enemy nearby. I gotta move, man. There's too many enemies over here. There's enemies over here, brah. Let me start eliminating fellas. I gotta pay attention, Alex, but I will chat with you in a minute. I just gotta deal with these scoundrels over here. These little turkey rolls. They want to get lit up a little bit, I would think, right? Oh, all right, all right, all right. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. And I know there's somebody else over there too, right? Ooh, right over there. Let's go, baby! Woo-wee. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Victory Royale, baby! What's up? Dedicated to my peoples, the indelible tribe. Now I could read Alex's messages because they're not interrupting me no more, bruh. They're not interrupting me no more, bruh. All right, all right. QNCX breaks out of the descending wedge bull reversal. Let's go ahead and give it a little something. Doubles. Let's give it a little bit of a Fibonacci retracement so we got some key levels of support and resistance. What do you think, Doubles? Can we do that? Can we do that for the indelible tribe? Sure we can. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so it's right at resistance at around that 45-cent mark. If it breaks the 45-cent mark, next resistance area is 50 cent. 50 cent. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go take a look at some of the stocks. Alex said, get him, Bobby. I got him, Bobby. I got him. I know your name isn't Bobby, but if you've seen Lizard Lick Towing, you know Bobby gets after everyone. I don't know what that is. I got to check that out, man. We're going to check that out. Let's go. I hope you're making a lot of money, Alex. Money, 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 money. Doubles. Money. Ooh. Ooh, let's get that share party. Let's get the 300. We got the first round out of the way. Victory Royale. QNCX is being a Beastosaurus Rex. We said that it had a descending wedge. Bull reversal. We were hoping that it would break out. It did break out. Now it's at resistance at 45 cents. Can it give us an ABCD pattern and push through? We're hoping for it. We're going to keep an eye on it. Currently up 238%. It's a 50 million float stock, Doubles, okay? But it's under $1, and ready for this? Volume $1 billion in Austin Powers. No, not Austin Powers. Dr. Evil? What was the guy's name? The bad guy. Dr. Evil's voice. How do you do Dr. Evil's voice?
$1 billion.
$1 billion. Something like that, right, Doubles? Something like that. A little something, something. A little something, something. Why not? Why not? Can you ask my queen if she can get me Nectar of the Gods, please? Please, thank you. Trying to take massive loss. Oh, you took massive loss for 5,500 on AZI while working on my ladder. I need to quit my job. I'm with you, brother. I hear you. Study, bro. I tell you, studying and learning the indicators and things like that. Hopefully, getting a little bit of information from the stuff that's educational, right? But yeah. Good deal that you're trying to cut that loss, man. I want you to achieve your goals and aspiration. Education is power. Education is power. Having me some coffee. Whew, a little parched after that victory royale for the community. Why not? Why not? All right, this is double topping right now. We don't want that. We need the price action to get above the 9 EMA, which is around 41 cents. Currently, the price is struggling to say above 40. If it gives away at 40, we could potentially see 35. So let's see some volume, baby. Come on. RSI is showing us that it's moving downward. You know what? I want to tweak out the RSI just a little bit. Just a little bit so it stands out a little bit better. Upper band, we're going to make you yellow. We're going to make you yellow. Lower band, we're going to make you yellow. We're going to make you yellow. Make it yellow, doubles. Make it yellow. Lower band, yellow. Make it yellow. Like that, bro. Let's do something with the middle band. I want the middle band to look a little schmexier than it looks right now. You know what I'm saying? Let it be like, I don't know. What color can we make that? Doubles, what color would you make it, bro? Make it a little orange or something like that, bro. Like a little orange, like that, bro. Like that. Right? A little orange, a little orangito, fajito, like that, bro. Like that, bro, right? Like that. Like jigga jigga what? Jigga jigga who? What? Who? No, I don't like that. I like the dashes, bro. I don't like the solid. I like the dashes, bro. Yeah, the dashes like that, bro. Right? What do you think, doubles? Right? How about we do something with the background? Can we do something? I'm moving average. I don't know. What is this? I don't know what this is, bro. Let's see what that is. What is it? What is that? What is that? Wait, hold on, double, hold on. Where's the back? Can I change the background a little bit? I want to make it look schmexy, bro. High H-line background. What is that? What is that? Ooh, look at it. Look at how that pops, bro. Do you see that, bro? Doubles. What do you think, bro? Ooh. Nah, man. Like that, bro, right? Yeah, baby. See, now your RSI is showing double top. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Let's get rid of the, stop that. Let's get rid of the descending wedge pull reversal. That already happened. This is after the fact right now, right? And let's spread this out a little bit. You can see it's double topping over here. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Graffiti pencil. You got a top over here. You got another top over here. This is a bearish pattern. This is a pullback position. It looks like it's going to pull back, doubles. RSI dipping. Dippy dip dip. 9 EMA. Quite extended from the volume weighted average. Also an indication that it's extended. It's extended. Extended. Can I have that cup, doubles? Can I have that cup right there? Yeah. I'm being neglected, doubles. I'm being neglected. I'm being neglected today, doubles. For real. For real. May I? Thank you. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ho ho. There we go. All right. So anyway, it looks like it's due for a pullback. It is in fact pulling back. It is, right, doubles? And yeah, so that's what's going on right now. That's what the story is. Dude, I had the perfect weapon. I had the purple MK and the mythic red dot. Dude. Laser-ation, bro. And then I kept getting my little chugga jug. My little chuggy jug. All right, so this has to definitely break this downtrend. It is a double top. That's a bearish pattern. And if it cannot hold above this level, I'm fearful that it might dip to 35 or maybe even as low as 30. RSI continues to move downward towards oversold. That is a bearish signal on QNCX, but look at how high it went. Did it have news, doubles? I'm just curious. Did it have news? Let's check the news on this fella. Let's go into our Discord and search the news feature. Anything on it? Let's see. Why is Quincy Therapeutic stocks soaring on Tuesday? It's up pre-market session as the company has engaged Life Science Capital to serve as its exclusive financial advisor. The penny stock is trading higher on a robust session volume of 29.84 million versus the average volume. This is old news, bro, because since that earlier this morning, the volume went even higher. It announced that it has engaged. It's basically it engaged a company. It engaged some kind of a financial company. That's the news on it. The float's heavy, but the price is low, and the volume just came in hardcore. And you could see it in the lower left-hand side of the custom scanners that we're sharing from our Discord that it has 1 billion volume, 1 billion volume. So even though it was a 50 million float stock, it had 1 billion volume. So that's a lot of volume, and it is a penny stock. So even though the float's 50 million, that's always a situation where if the price is lower, the volume can be a little bit higher. The float can be a little bit higher, provided that the volume supports it, and it's been getting a lot of support. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if it can reverse itself from this double top, but right now it's bearish. Let's go and take a look at a different ticker. Let's go take a look at, I don't know, let's take a little low floater. Let's take a look at JZXN, which sounds to me like it might be a China stock. It might be a China. And B, we're not stock advisors, so we can't give you financial advice, but you can see that there are key levels of support and resistance that we drew here, which can give you an idea, right? And I could go over the indicators for you as far as what's happening, but I can't tell you whether you can hold or not hold, because that would be a situation where you would need a stock advisor, a stockbroker, right? And we're not stockbrokers, brother. So let me tell you what I see here. What I see here is clearly a double top, which is a bearish pattern, and it's usually an indication that the price action is going to reverse, which it did. Okay, we see that the 9 EMA, 9 exponential moving average, which is a shorter moving average and more reactive, is curving downward and moving towards the volume weighted average, which is a longer moving average. Why is that important? Because shorter moving averages are more reactive, so they'll become bullish more quickly than a longer moving average like the VWAP, and they will become bearish much more quickly than the volume weighted average because they react faster. And right now, the 9 EMA is moving downward, and there's a big extension between the 9 EMA and the volume weighted average. So when you see that, a lot of times the price action will pull back down. See, look over here how the 9 EMA pulled away and then came back down, pulled away and came back down. Now over here, it pulls really far away, and presumably it's going to start pulling back down, but there's no way of knowing for sure. But the volume candles are showing us that it's red and that the candles are getting smaller, and we still are a good solid 52 minutes away from power hour when volume comes in. So that's another indicator that volume is dropping and that the price might in fact keep going down. And then the last thing is the relative strength index. When the relative strength index is moving upward, that's called overbought, moving towards overbought. When it's moving downward like it is over here, it's moving towards oversold, and that is usually a bearish signal that the price action might continue to go down. Here's some key levels with the Fibonacci retracement. It already failed the 40-cent support level. The next support area would be 35 cents. If it fails there, 32 cents where the VWAP is going to be a critical area for it to try to hold itself. Hope that helps you out, my friend, and I hope you make a ton of money. God bless. God bless. Let's go to the next ticker. Let's get a share party. Let's get the 400. We're almost there. Let's get 420 for the memes, bro. Why not? 420 for the memes. Let's go. All right. We're looking at HURA. It is also one of the leading gainers in our market mover top gainer scanner that we're sharing with you from the private Discord. You could see that it's a heavier floated stock at 46 million shares. It only has 12 million volume. All of this is on the custom scanner that we're showing you, and it's currently up 55%. You could see that the 9 EMA is stacked above the volume weighted average. It's starting to separate from it, so it's getting a little bit extended. We could see that the candles for the volume are starting to dip, and we're seeing that the RSI is moving heavily into the overbought area, but not quite there. So it may continue to pull upward, but it's starting to reach a point where it looks like it might need to cool down a bit and pull back. My pleasure, brother. My pleasure. I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you made a lot of money on it, and I hope you make a lot more money on it. God bless you, man. FGL, let's take a look at it. FGL. All right, so FGL is also on the scanner. It's a low floater. 5 million shares is the float, but here's the problem. Only 675,000 shares of volume, and that's very, very low volume. Currently up 56%. It has formed what looks like a bull pennant, but it just doesn't have a heck of a lot of volume, so it makes me a little a little concerned because there's a lack of volume. In fact, it looks like a descending wedge, which is usually a bull reversal pattern. The 9 EMA is nicely stacked above the volume weighted average. I like that, and they're tight together, which means there's room for the 9 EMA to be much more reactive, like we were talking about with QNCX, which had already reacted. So it could potentially move up if it gets volume. RSI is trying to drift upward towards overbought, but it's not quite making it there, and the volume candles are low. So what it needs is a shot of volume, a little bit of volume, and if this 9 EMA starts curling, then that would validate the descending wedge bull reversal pattern. But right now, it does not have a lot of volume. It's a heavy floated stock at 46 million shares, and it has a 13 million volume. HURA, let's take a look at our custom news features in our Discord. Let's go ahead and look up the news for HURA and share it with a viewing community. All right, we got anything over here? February 3rd, they were listed as a buy signal, up to $10 by HC Wainwright. So I don't put too much weight in what the buy signals are from these analysts. I don't really do that. Anyway, the price action is far greater than what the target was, which was $10. I don't see any other catalyst for it right now. It's a bioscience company.
Yes.
And they did get a orphan drug designation for one of their drugs. For cutaneous melanoma. So it's some kind of cancer. That was February 2nd, but there's no current news. Let's get that share party. Let's get the 420. We're almost there. Let's share it up, folks. Going to shed some information and some light on the stonks. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. So this stock at the end of the day needs volume. That's the bottom line. It's a heavy floated stock. This stock has run in the past. It has run in the past, but it's a heavier floated stock, so it's going to need volume. It's also a more expensive stock, so it's definitely going to need volume to push it along. Let's take a look at NKTR, just popped up on the scanner. NKTR Therapeutics. Okay, so this stock is a 20 million float stock with only 7 million in volume. So you could see that it is stacked with a 9 EMA above the volume weighted average, but we could see that it's been consolidating at this price point for quite a while, and it's also a $53 stock. So the moves on this stock are going to probably be much more subtle and slower. The company is trading higher because they announced results from a 36-week blind maintenance period of the 52-week Resolve AD study of some drug called I don't know what that is, but that's the story. Not in my wheelhouse, too expensive, and definitely not getting the volume love that I'd like to see. Now, PHIO had news this morning. Let's take a look at it. This stock, to me, I don't really like it. Let me break it down because it tends to pop and drop, and I don't like when stocks pop and drop, because it takes it's too easy to basically become a bag holder, right? But we're going to take a look and share with you what the news was this morning for PHIO. PHIO basically came out with news that said cancer biotech PHIO pharmaceutical stock surged as trial shows tumor clearance at highest dose in skin cancer patients. So that was the news, but the stock moved in a very choppy way. I'm not a patient person. I like to get in the stock and get out of the stock. This was a slow burn. It went up, and then it came crashing down, which indicates to me that there's probably a shelf registration, and they probably diluted at the higher price point. Now, that being said, the price is trying to get above the volume weighted average, but look at these dumps, right? So it tries to break out, you're getting all happy, and then all of a sudden it dumps. You know what I mean? The price action breaks out, and all of a sudden it dumps. Price action breaks out, bigger dump. Price action tries to break out, dump. I can't trade stuff like that. I can't have none of that. Can't have it. Can't have it. You got to keep your price up. Keep it up. I'm telling you. Keep it up. Come on now. Come on now. RSI is dipping downward to oversold, and volume candles are red. I don't love it. I don't like it. but it might run again. But it's not for me, baby. Not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking, baby. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking. Always do your own due diligence, folks. Always do your own due diligence. You are your best friend. Yes, sir. All right, let's go to ESOA, Energy Services of America. All right, this stock is also moving on relatively light volume, 1 million shares. It's a 12 million volume float. When you see consolidation like this is always disconcerting because you don't know if it's going to break out or dump, but the 9 EMA is higher than the volume weighted average. There's not a heck of a lot of volume going on with it, but it's up 35%, and the RSI is neutral. Volume candles are low, and we still have a good solid 44 minutes before power hour, so maybe the volume gods will bless ESOA with volume. QNCX. All right, so we said that it formed a double top, which is a bearish pattern. What we need to see now happen, let's get rid of this. We know that the double tops exist, so let's get rid of them. Bada binga. Come on, stop that. Bada binga, right there. Bada binga. That was the double top. We didn't like the double top doubles, do we? We like the double bottoms and the bottom tail. So now what we're hoping for is a descending wedge bull reversal. Right? So hopefully we get a little something like this, bro. A little something like that. Look, right? Could that be? Could it be? Look. See? Descending wedge, bull reversal. Why not? 9 EMA has pulled down somewhat. I suspect that it could continue to pull down towards the volume weighted average. If it sticks above the volume weighted average, that would be a schmexy situation. If it could stay above it and then break out again, then we have to worry about these different levels over here, right over here, 40. And then this level right here would be particularly interesting, 45, because it was rejected once and twice, and then the third time. Would that be the charm? We're still early, still 42 minutes before power hour. RSI is neutral. It is the leading gainer. Did it have news, doubles? Did QNCX have news that actually made it go? Yeah, it did, right? That they were seeking some. What was the news? What was it? Typical market session. The penny stock is trading higher on a robust session volume. Yeah, but what was it? Announced that it has engaged. Okay, they had engaged a company to explore strategic alternatives. That was the news, right? Usually not strong news, but for this particular stock, it got a lot of volume. It was the best show in town and currently still appears to be pretty strong, but we need to see the price action get above the 9 EMA, which is currently at around 40 cents. So we'll keep an eye on this one, doubles. But right now, not schmexy yet. Let's put it on high heat. Listen, get the spatula, because I gotta turn it a little. I gotta rotate it a little. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put it on high heat, let it simmer. Get me my paprika. Get my paprika so I could give it a little zing like that, a little paprika, and maybe some cumin. Yeah, the cumin, bro. You know, the cumin. Doubles. You say whatever, and I say cumin. That's it. I live on the 5th floor. That's it. I live on the 5th floor. That know me, baby.
I live on the 5th floor.
All right. So anyway, we're going to watch this, see if the price action can break above 40 cents, break this descending wedge, and keep moving. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 500. Let's go for 600 and 700. Let's go, baby. And I'm going to go get a victory royale for the community. Then we'll go and check out some more of the stonks and get closer to power hour. We already got the first victory royale for the Indelibles. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coaching Money. And also make sure that you're following us on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coaching Money. And we're also on TikTok at DBLNix. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. We're getting a little bit of a breakout from the 40% resistance on QNCX. Let's go. Volume. Come on now. Come on, volume. Come on, RSI. Push to the top. Move towards the overbought area. Be bullish. Come on, volume gods. Strike it, baby. Strike it. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we also want to invite you to take a 4-day trial for our Discord community for $9.99. You will have access to custom scanners just like the one that's on the screen that we're sharing right now from our Discord. That's the Market Mover Scanner, Top Gainer Scanner. We also have a Breakout Scanner, which is basically searching for stocks that are showing unusual traits like high volume that potentially could be setups for a bullish breakout, parabolic move. That's another scanner that we have. We also have the early watch list. I don't want to say nothing doubles, but our early watch list is fuego, fuego, fuego. We put out an early watch list at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday for the next day. And we almost always have a parabolic runner, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Guess what, doubles? Guess what, doubles? We had the one and only QNCX listed yesterday at 19 cents. It went to a high of 46 cents today, baby, at 6:30 p.m. as an early watch list for today. That's part of the Discord. Get in there. There's also a lot of educational information. We share with you also stocks that we're looking to personally purchase that we're interested in and how we're going to approach it. But of course, you've always got to do your own due diligence. Don't let nobody tell you that this is easy, it's simple. No, if it was simple and easy, you wouldn't have a 90% failure rate with day trading. That's the hard facts. All right? That's the hard facts. That's it. That's it, bruh. Come on now. Don't buy the baloney. Your power is to educate yourself, which is what you're doing right now, and you're having some laughs with the coach and DBO Nick. Why not? Why did I say the coach? You're having some fun with me. It's so pretentious when you're talking to third person, but I don't know. It's kind of funny, though, because I'm kind of like making fun of people that talk about themselves in the third person. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Doubles? You feel me, bro? Let's get a share party. Let's get to the next 600, 700, going for a dub for the community. We're watching QNCX forming a descending wedge bull reversal. Can it break out? Is it going to triple top and come back down, or does it break the resistance of 40 and then 45 cents and continue to move north to 50 cents? Is that what's going to happen? Put it in the chat. I'm just saying, doubles. Put it in the chat. I'm just saying, bruh. I'm just saying. My gracious, bro. My goodness. My gracious. Wow, what a great landing, bro. Huh? No? Was that good or what? Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Guess what's happening? I'm getting a lag. Let's go, baby. Uh-huh. Poor fella. Poor fella. Don't you feel bad for him, bro? Come on, man. I feel bad sometimes, bro. No, you don't believe that for a second, do you, bro? Nope, not even a little bit. Nope, I don't feel bad at all. Nope. I'd be lying. I'd be lying to you. Because I know that those folks would be the same folks that be laughing at the coach. I know it. I know it, Doubles. I know it. I know it. You know that, right, Doubles? You know what they do. You know how they do. All right, let's get this loot. This fella tried to take my loot. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with that critter? What's wrong with him? He wasn't ready. Doubles, he wasn't ready, bro. He wasn't ready. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh my goodness, oh migration, oh migration, oh my goodness. Aha! Doubles. Ooh, a little bit of slurp over here. Look, Doubles. They got the little, what do you call this thing over here? The thingamajig over here, bruh. They got the little thingamajig over here, bruh. The little... that thing. What do you call that thing, bruh? The ramen noodles, bro? The ramen noodles. The ramen noodles. You know what I mean? It's a ramen noodles. Ooh, another impulse grenade. Can I take it? I'm gonna take it, bro. Why not, bro? Any enemies over there? Anybody want to come out to play? Ooh, the sword doubles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? It's mobility, right? Why not, right? It's mobility, why not? Why not? Why not? Although there are a bunch of, And you said it's... I could also, like, shoot with it? What the heck, dude? Look at that. They got the bushes, bro. No way, bro. They got the bushes, bro. Isn't that funny?
Oh, teach you something.
What?
Teach you something.
What are you going to teach me, Bubba? Uh-huh. Jump? What did it do? Oh, my. Oh, it aims, right? So I jump? I have to jump?
You have to jump.
Wow, that makes it complicated.
No, and if you're falling, press the left click button. It doesn't slam.
It doesn't slammaroo?
Slammaroo.
Okay. All right, Doubles, you convinced me, bruh. You know I'm going to end up killing myself in this game, right? You know that, right? I don't want to be careful. I'm reckless, bruh. Come on now. You know I'm reckless. I'm reckless, I tell you. What happened over here? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened over here? What happened? Whoa! Where they at? Where they at, bro? Ooh, I should take that. You know what, bro? I'm gonna take that, you know? Do I only have one round of ammo? Could that be? There we go. I don't know. I don't know where this creature's at. Where the heck did this guy go? I didn't mean to do that. I feel like this guy is camping, but I don't know for sure. Don't know. Somebody is here. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Ha-ha! Get your banana life out of here, bro. Alright, I'm taking this, bro. I know you want me to take the other thing, but nah. No, 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 bro. No, no, no. I like the jetpack, bro. I like it, bro. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, let's go over here and see if we can get some medicina. A little medicina. Get one of these boys. Why not? Why not? Oh my. Cap off a little bit. Cap off. Alright. Alright, alright. Ooh, I don't want that. I feel like I should get rid of one of these weapons. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let's see what's going on down below. Hard to say. Hard to say, Doubles. Hard to say what to do. Hard to say. All right, doubles. Let's get a share party. Shall we get a share party? Shall we share it up, share it up, share it up? Doubles. Oh my goodness, dude. I gotta get rid of one of these, bro. Oh my god. What do I do, doubles? What do I do? Do I carry 2 chugs? I don't know. I think it's overkill, though, bro. Ooh, look at the mist, too. Oh my god, there's such good stuff here. I got problems. I like the mobility, though. I like the mobility. Mobility's my thing, bro. You know? Mobility's my thing, bro. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. No, don't go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Don't go. Oh, wow. Wow. Doubles. Wow. Look, doubles. Look. Look, doubles. Look, look. We're gonna move it, and we're gonna groove it, and we're gonna do some fine things over here, bro. All right, what are we doing? I'm gonna move over here. Why not, doubles? Why not? Let's move over here. See if there's anything for us to partake in over here. Anything? Anything? Doubles, anything to partake in? Doubles, Doubles, I got rid of the weapon. You know, I'm going with the more aggressive MK. Why not, bro? What the heck, right? Why not, doubles? Why not? Let's go with the MK. Right? What do you think, doubles? What do you think? Ooh, look at that. They got little chuggy juggies over here, bro. Little chuggy juggy. Well, why not, bro? Come on, fellas. Come and get me. Come and get me. Come and get me. What is that? Somebody's shooting at the coach. What you doing? What are you doing, fool? You want to play with me? Come on. Come and play. Come on and play. They have no idea that I see them. Schmucko. Come on, schmucko. Come on. What's the matter, you? Fool. What's up, fool? What's up, fool? Give me your loot, bruh. Give me all your loot, bruh. Get out of here, man. Come on, bruh. What's wrong with you? Doubles, did you see that guy? Did you catch that, Doubles? That guy was trying to be a fool. Hey, Doubles, guess what? QNCX is testing. Testing.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Right, doubles. Let's go. Where you at, fellas? Where you at? Come on. I want some of y'all. Come on. I likes you and I want you. Come on over. I got some gifts for you. They're called bullets. Doubles. Right? Right, doubles? Right? Bro. A little bit more impulse grenades. I'm not happy that they shortened the stack to 4, bro. They used to have like they used to have more than that, bro. You know what I mean? You know, you feel me, bro? They used to stack you 6, now they only stack you 4? I don't know. Seems kind of not nice, you know? It's not nice. They're not nice, you know what I mean? Anything for me? Not really. See, I might be interested in this, but I'm not gonna do it. You know, like right there, bro. You know, but I'm not gonna do it. I got an MK, so it's kind of like overkill. It's kind of like overkill. You know what I mean? Right, doubles. I gotta move. I got to move, son. The zone is getting ready to move, bruh. All right, let's do it. Let's get in. Right there is where we want to go. I don't see nobody, do you? I don't see nobody. We got almost 700 folks in the audience. Let's get a share party. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, the mist, bro. The mist, bro. Ooh, there's some shooting going on, bro. Uh-huh. Let's get into the zone, bro. Let's get into the zone. Anybody nearby? Where they at? There's one right there. I don't have a distant weapon that's really that accurate from over here. All right. How many folks are there? Is it a 1v1? Doubles. 1v1, right? Nah, right there, bro. Right there, bro. I see him right there. Bada binga! Bada binga! Binga binga binga! Binga 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 binga! Bada binga! Bada binga! 2 doublifications, bro. And we got a descending wedge bull reversal on our favorite little cute little stonk. The cute one, the pretty one. QNCX. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's return to the lobby, baby. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 700. We're watching QNCX moving on news. They moved on news. It's a heavy floated stock at 50 billion shares, but it's an inexpensive stock at 42 cents, and it has over 1 billion volume. And it broke out of a descending wedge bull reversal. Will it triple top at this resistance level over here? Put it in the chat if you think it's going to triple top and become bearish, or if it gets enough gasolina to break through the 45-cent resistance. It didn't break out this time, and it didn't break out this time. They were false breakouts these times. Will the third time be the charm as we get closer to 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a.k.a. Power Hour, 22 minutes away. It is the leading gainer, currently up 223%. It was up like, what, 250, 270, something like that earlier, right? Let's take a look at some other stonks. Let's take a look at a heavier priced stonk, Float 28 million, 14 million volume, so not that much volume. Price almost $30. EVMN up 74%. EVMN, we're looking at our custom scanner on the screen on the left-hand side from our private Discord community that we're sharing with you. And this stock moved with positive results for phase 2A tests. So it's a biotech company, heavy float 28 million, low volume 14 million, up 74%, and it's almost $30. The price is just above volume weighted average. It has formed the cup and handle pattern. RSI is closer to overbought, so it's definitely closer to being a bullish type of a signal, but the float is heavy and the volume is light, so that's always disconcerting to me. But doubles, we still have 20 minutes to Power Hour. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 700. Let's go 800, 900, 1,000. Let's get 1,000 folks. We're going to go over some of the stonks right now. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get the first 900, first 700. Let's share it up. Let's get to 700. Keep it simple. Let's get to 700, and we'll start looking at some of these stonks a little bit more in depth. HURA, 66%. HURA, moving up 66%. Let's get some key levels of support and resistance with the Fibonacci retracement on EVMN with its biotech news. We could see that resistance is right at the $30 mark, which is a Fibonacci level. It needs to break that. We could see that the 9 EMA is tightly stacked above the volume weighted average. That is a bullish type of a signal. It's lacking the volume for confirmation, so we want to see this volume start to come in. If I get my little graffiti pencil activated over here. What we're looking for is a break of this downtrend in volume right here. Volume. Yeah, you could draw stuff even in the volumes in RSI doubles, you know? You know, people think they can only draw on the chart, but you could do it on anything. You know what I'm saying? Look at how it's starting to curl, baby, curl. Resistance at $30. If it can break through the resistance, maybe we can see a move to 31, 32, maybe even 33 cents. But if it don't get the volume, it ain't going to get the love. I'm just saying. It's an expensive stock, not what I would typically trade. But let's get a share party. Let's get to 700. Cup and handle, EVMN, needs volume. EVMN, cup and handle, needs volume, doubles volume. Volume, EVMN, cup and handle, needs volume. Let's go to JZXN. Yo, Beyonce, where you at? JZXN. Yo, is Beyonce XN if he's Jay-Z? I'm just asking for a friend, bro. I'm just asking for a friend, bro. You don't need to get nasty about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just asking a question. All right, so we're looking at this stock. I'm guessing it's a China stock, so they're kind of risque. All right, but it's a 1 million float stock, low float, 70 million in volume. I don't see any news on it. The 9 EMA seems to be degrading below the volume weighted average. If I get the graffiti pencil activated, I'm going to go to where the volume weighted average is, and the volume weighted average is right at $2.36. That's a significant resistance area as the 9 EMA starts to do the dippity do. RSI is also moving down towards oversold, another bearish indicator. Volume is low, but here's the thing: doubles 17 minutes before the power hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and power hour does run between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So maybe some volume love could come in. We'll see what happens, but right now it ain't there, and it's starting to degrade. It's up 60% though, so that's JZXN. JZ. Yo, your girl's XN, right? For real. I call you the truth, because you for real. Right, Doubles? What song is that from? What song was that, bro? I like that song. Frontin'? Was it Frontin' from Pharrell? From Pharrell? I call you the truth. I call you for real because you the truth. It was Frontin', what? Wasn't it Frontin'? Featuring Jay-Z, right?
Yep.
What was the line, bro? How'd it go?
We got another one for real.
We got another one for real.
I call you for real because you the truth.
I call you for real because you the truth. I love that song, bro. That's for all the lovers who front, y'all. You know what I'm saying? All right, so anywho, let's move to the next stock. Let's move to FGL. Let's go check it out. FGL. Now, this stock has formed a descending wedge bull reversal. The price action is moving up, but it's doing it all on very light volume. Uh-oh, we got a parabolic in the house. Parabolic, whoop, whoop. The sound of parabolic, whoop, whoop. The sound of making money, whoop, whoop. Oh my, parabolic move, QNCX. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Breakout from the descending wedge. Woo! Significant resistance at 45 cents. Triple top over here. Does it get some gasolina? It's looking good. You know why, Doubles? Because power hour is 16 minutes away. So does it have some consolidation at 45 cents before it makes its next move? Or does it come crashing down? It is quite extended from the volume weighted average, but the RSI is pushing forward towards the overbought area, which is still a positive bullish signal. It starts to overheat when it gets up here, usually, you know. Volume is moving on low volume. So can you imagine if there was a little more volume? You know, the one thing I got to say, it's got 1 billion in volume, bro. 1 billion in volume, up 253%. It's pushing. Doubles, it's pushing. Oh my migration. 46 cents. Oh my, breaking out of a descending wedge bull reversal. 46 cents, up 253%. It's moving, Doubles. Oh my, I'm watching you. I got an eye on you. Hold on, let me take it out. I'm going to put it right on top of you. Let's get a share party. We've got a potential breakout maybe. Up, pulling back. Hold above the 45-cent mark. Hold. That is a significant level. Key level. Was it a fake breakout? Is it a false breakout like it did over here and over here? Will it do the same thing, or is it going to get some gasolina? Is that a micro pullback and then a shoot up? Let's see what's going on. RSI is not giving up just yet, but we don't have a heck of a lot of volume yet. Hold on, it's turning green. Verde, verde, verde. Come on, baby. Come on. We want you to go ahead and keep on pumping. Let it be a micro pullback, move up, slight pullback, hold support, and go up. Come on now. Come on, don't break the 45 cent. That's a key level. In fact, you know what I'm going to do, doubles? I'm going to put the big green line. Don't make me put the big green line because I will, bruh. Green line. That's a key level of support and resistance. Get up there. Get up. Come on now. Get on up. Let's go. Come on. Get on up. Come on. Get above 45 cents. Come on. Key level. Do not triple top. Come on. You're too close to power hour. Do not discourage our will. Do not hurt our soul. Come on. Gods of volume. Please. Odysseus. Is Odysseus a god?
Odysseus?
Odysseus? No, I said Odysseus, bro.
There's no Odysseus.
Yes, there is. It's a minivan, bro.
You mean the Odyssey?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Are you talking about a god or a truck?
I don't know. I'm talking about I want the goddamn price to go above 46 cents, bro. Come on now. 46 cents. Come on. Get up there. Come on up. Share. Let's get to 800. We're at 755, folks. Let's get to 800, 900, 1,000. Can we see another parabolic run from QNCX? Let's go, baby. Come on now. Come on. All right. You're getting boring. You're getting boring. I don't want to hear it. PHGE. Let's go check it out. New on the scanner. PHGE. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it. Refresh. I'm going to refresh. Doubles. I'm going to refresh. Sometimes it gets a little Clunkosaurus Rex. You know what I'm saying? All right. So PHGE trending upward. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated over here. Right there. Let's get it activated. Right there. Right there. It's moving on up. Moving on up. PHGE 2 million float. Very low float, but the volume is only 314,000. 314,000, currently up 40%, so we'll keep an eye on you. We're going to keep an eye on you. SUNE doubles, SUNE, up 37%, low float, 3 million, volume, 11 million, SUNE needs volume right now. It needs volume. Doubles. It needs volume. I mean, I guess doubles. I surmise. We could say that this is forming a bit of a pennant. Maybe. Could it be doubles? Could it be that it is forming a pennant? Could it be doubles? Could it be? I think it could be, right? Could be. It needs volume, love, though. 9 EMA stacked above the VWAP, a little extended from the VWAP, not horrible. RSI is indifferent. Volume candles are low. So SUNE, Sunation Energy. Energy needs volume, 39%, currently up. QNCX, let's go back to the leading gainer. Let's see if it triple topped or if it broke out, baby. Let's see. Did it get a breakout, doubles? Did it get a breakout? QNCX. Let's go check it out. Let's get a share party. It broke out, doubles. Oh, migration. It hit a high of 49 cents, doubles. 49 cents. New high of day, Alex. I hope you're banking. I hope you're making some dinero. Let's get it. I love the sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of making money. Whoop, whoop. The sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. And the early bird gets the cash because we had that pennant right there. Alex saw it. Early bird. Alex was an early bird. And he's got the cash. Yo, the party's at your place. I like ribeyes, bro. Maybe we'll get some Peter Luger sauce. I'll bring the champagne. I don't like champagne, though. I hope you like it because I don't like it. But I'll bring it for you. If you want something else, I'll bring something else. I like chocolate milk, personally. Me, I'm a chocolate milk kind of guy. You know, doubles? That's my flavor. Chocolate milk. I love it. I don't like it. I love it, doubles. I do. I do. You know I do. Doubles. You know I'm always buying chocolate milk. It's one of my favorites. It's my Jones. I love chocolate, too. Chocolate in general.
Oh, yeah.
I like vanilla, too. Every shade, bro. Every shade. Vanilla, chocolate, no matter. Don't matter. I get the half and half, bro. What is that, blue bonnet?
Remember the one that we got? The chocolate milk that we got from...
Which one?
The chocolate milk that we got from Farmer's Market.
Chocolate milk from Farmer's Market. Oh. Yummy. What about, but what's the ice cream we get? Blue bonnet?
Blue
something or other.
Blue cow.
Blue cow. No, the half and half vanilla and chocolate. Oh my gracious, bro. Yo, the cherry vanilla. I know you don't like it, but I love it. I know you don't, but that the Dutch, it's a little too chocolate. That film.
It's rich chocolate.
I know. I don't like rich chocolate. I like that mix of vanilla and chocolate. That's what I'm talking about. Alex said, "Can I break green for the day? Can I break green for the day?" Wait, I'm down 6%, $1,300 on the day. That was from AZI, right? Yeah. And for show, I'm trying to get a trip down to Miami this year. You guys got to pull up and have a drink with me. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on now. Let's get my boy Alex to Miami. QNCX 48%. It has set itself up for a potential move upward. RSI is definitely getting extended from the 9 EMA, but there still seems to be some room on the RSI, and we're doing all of this on light volume. Blue ribbon with the rabbit. There you go. There you go. So you know about the half and half vanilla and chocolate, right? Man, that thing is off the hook, bro. You know what's also good? That chocolate that has like low calories. What is that? That ice cream? What is that called that I get once in a while? Hilo? Hilo? Halo's pretty good too. Yeah, but the blue ribbon. Oh my God, double son. What am I talking about, bro? Anyway, it's the small things in life that are important. Come on. I need this stock to move up. I want Alex to make a lot of money. Come on, baby. I got an interesting story about this stock, Doubles. I traded this stock 3 times. Pre-market twice. I went red. The day again thing went against me, right? And then I did it again in the early afternoon, and I went green for the day. Let's go, baby. QNCX. I was just early to the party. Sometimes you can be a little too early, but we called this in the private Discord as an early watch this at 19 cents. It's almost at 50 cents. It went to 49 cents. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to have a little coffee, Doubles. What do you think? Let's get a share party. Let's get a share party. We're going to come back to this one in a little bit. Let's go back to another tickeroony. Let's go to SUNE. Doubles SUNE. SUNE. Let's go check it out. It's a 3 million float stock. It too is in a pennant, but it's moving on light volume. 11 million shares. Not horrible. Up 38%. 38%. It does not have the attention that QNCX currently has, Doubles. No, QNCX has a lot of attention. Everybody paying attention. You're the sexy stock today, QNCX. You're sexy. You sexy thing. And it proves that you can have a heavy float. You could be thick, and still be beautiful. As long as you have a lot of volume. 1 billion volume. I'm just saying, bro. Right?
Yes.
It don't matter that you got 50 million float because you got 1 billion volume. You know what I mean? Yeah. But if you give me some kind of garbage like 5 million volume and you're 15 million float, I don't want to talk to you. I'm sorry. Oh, dude, QNCX looks like it halted, bro. Let's go back to QNCX. Let's check it out. QNCX. All right, we got 6 minutes before the power hour. Wait. QNCX. What did I type? I did not type it correctly. QNCX. No, it's not halted, bro. It's moving, bro. It's moving. It's grooving. What's going on over here? Let's see. What's it doing, Doubles? What's it doing? We're looking. Right here. Where is it? It's right over here. 50 million. Float, 1 billion volume. We're showing it on our custom scanner. It is halted, but it's moving on the screen over here, Doubles. Where? Right here, look, on this chart, it's moving, yeah. It's moving on this chart. It's moving on this. Yeah, it's moving on this chart. It's not halted, bro. I don't know. A little bit of indecisiveness from the buyers and the sellers. Could it be? Let's get a share party. Let's get to 900. Let's get to 1,000. Come on. Micro pullback, just like you did over here. Come on. Micro pullback. Push to 50 cents. Come on now. Come on, 50 cents. We already had Jay-Z. Let's have 50 cents. Come on now. Oh, yeah, that's a dad joke. Come on, 49 cents. Let's go. 276%. Money. Alex, say it, baby. Money. Oh, for Alex, right here. Money. Let's get the money. Why does it do that when I want to do that? Money. 49 cents. Come on now. Come on, 50 cents. Come on, do it. 50 cent, 50 cent. Share it, share it, share it. Let's go. Let's get to 900. All right. I'm not going to pay you any mind right now because you're not moving. I know if I move to another stock. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on now. Come on.
269.
269. It was 276 before, though, bro. It was 276 before. Yeah. Yeah. You see these top tails? I don't like. I don't like top tails. I don't like that. It's pulling back. Come on. All right, ABCD. Come on, ABCD. Come on, come on, come on. Let's share it up. Let's get to 900. Let's go and take a look at those stock doubles. Let's go look at EVMN. EVMN. Bada binga. Cup and handle. Bull pattern. 9 EMA stacked tightly above the VWAP. Needs some volume. Needs volume. Has news. It is a heavier stock at 28 million shares. Only 14 million in volume. I never like when the volume is much lower than the float, but it is up. It is up 76%, and it's currently moving on up to the $30 resistance mark. If it can break it, maybe we have a test for 31, 32, 33. Who knows? Let's see what happens with EVMN, QNCX pulling back ever so slightly. FGL, let's take a look at it. Descending wedge, bull reversal, but now it's pulling back. Is it going to double top? This is a significant resistance area right around here. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Right over here is what folks might call a supply zone. You know what I'm saying? Which is an area where sellers, it's a supply zone maybe, because it looks like an area where people might be unloading the stock, right? So it's going to need to break that area to be shamexy to me. But right now, it's still holding the 9 EMA, and the 9 EMA is still comfortably stacked above the volume weighted average. So we'll see what happens with FGL. FGL, we will keep an eye on it 2 minutes before Power Hour. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at Coach Sick Money. At Coach Sick Money. And of course, you want to follow us on x.com at Coach Sick Money. At Coach Sick Money. And of course, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Sick Money. And we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're seeing our custom market mover, market gainer scanner that we're sharing with you from our Discord. It was custom made for our for our community, one of many scanners that we have. The scanner includes float volume, and it's available pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. There's also hyperlinks above the scanners where you can click on the ticker symbols to get further information about what's going on with the stock. What's the catalyst? Why is it moving? What's the volume? What's the float? What's going on with it? Does it have a shelf registration? Is it dilution risk? All of that information at your fingertips. We also have our momentum breakout scanner that basically looks for stocks that are showing unusual volume that might be the next parabolic play. So there's more than one scanner available. We have several scanners available. We also help you out so you understand how the scanners work and how all the tools work. We also have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all the news for the entire stock market. Yes, this is all part of the Discord community. So it's not just a great Discord community. Everybody says that. Everybody says, oh, I got a great Discord community. Look, I'm standing in front of a Lamborghini at a Lamborghini lot, but I don't own it. You understand? Everybody does that. But do they spend money on their community so that they have tools available to actually succeed and win? That's the question. And now I'm not playing. Put your money where your mouth is. If you're going to charge money for a Discord, make it worthwhile. Provide educational content like we do. We provide educational information, teaching people. We also have courses available if you choose to go for the Wealth Builders tier, which is a higher tier than the standard tier. The standard tier is chock full of information. The Wealth Builders tier is even more intense. We also have an early watch list every single day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We give an early watch list to keep an eye on for the next day. QNCX was one of those stocks, okay? It just hit a high of 50 cents, I think it was. We gave it to the Discord community at around 18, 19 cents yesterday as an early watch list, okay? So These are some of the things that are available, and what we do is we make it simple for you. We give you a 4-day trial for $9.99, right? We do that so that we make it easy for you to check it out for 4 days and make sure it's the right fit for you. And when you come in, ask questions, get educated. We're there for you. If you ask questions, we answer the questions, right? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to ask questions. That's the way you empower yourself. That's the way you achieve your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially in Power Hour. Let's go take a look at QNCX one more time, the leading gainer. And it is holding support at 45 cents. Can we get another run up to 50 cents? Can we break 50 cents? Let's go. Leading gainer currently up 261%. Can it give us another run? Folks, we call you indelibles because we want you to achieve all your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. We want you to leave your mark. We want your mark to be unerasable, aka indelibles. And we want you to be inspirational to other people. You know what? It's not as much fun if you're partying by yourself. It's more fun partying with other people, succeeding with other people, and just enjoying life. Life is beautiful, baby. Positivity is where it's at. Let's go, baby. And right now, QNCX is moving. Moving, 276%. It's testing its previous high of 49 cents. Can we get a witness? That's Cardinal Official, right, bro? Right? How's it go? How's the song go? How's it go? Can I have a witness? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Come on, 49 cents. Push it, baby. Come on, 51 cent is the next level of the Fibonacci. Can we get to 50 cents? We're at 50 cents, doubles. 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, 284%. We're in Power Hour. Empower the people. Let's go, baby. We got over 1,000 folks. Share up, 53%. Oh, migration. Oh, migration. Oh, my. Hold me, Elizabeth. I'm coming to visit you. Oh. Never mind. I'm old, bro. I'm old. 54 cents, 323%. And who did the descending wedge earlier, bro? I didn't have to take a break and take a nap. No. I'm here. I'm here with y'all, folks. Come on, baby. 55 cents was the higher day. 323% was the higher day. Next resistance area right around 56, 57 cents. Come on, baby. Can you push it a little bit more? There's a little bit of more room over here, ain't there? Come on, candles. Go up a little bit. This is all happening on low volume. We need it to hold about 52 cents. Hold about 52 cents. Come on now. Doubles, come on, man. Let's get a share party. Let's get the 1100. We got a parabolic alert here. Parabolic QNCX parabolic. Whoop. The sign of parabolic. Whoop. The sign of making money. Whoop. Let's go, baby. And the early bird gets the cash. Descending wedge. Bull reversal. 55 cents. Come on now. 323%. Come on for 56 cents. Come on, 56. Can we get 56? Can we get it? Come on now. Show some love to the people. Alex wants to go to Miami. He wants that Mai Tai and that margarita with the salt around the rim. Come on now. He wants to go to Mangoes. Come on now. Send them to Mangoes, I tell you. Come on. South Beach. Come on now. Coconut Creek. I don't know if that's a place, but it sounds good, right?
Yes, it is.
No, what's that other place? Lincoln. What? 58 cents. Resistance. Come on, break it. If you break 57, 58 cents, next resistance area, 60 cents. Does it do it? It's extended. Doubles. It's extended. Let's get a share party. We got a parabolic breakout, 338%. 338%. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, resistance at 57, 58 cents. Let's go. Can it give us another leg? Come on now, 338%, 338%. Micro pullback. Come on now. Come on, show your love. Prove yourself to me. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute and see how reactive it could be. Doubles, let's see how reactive it could be. Come on, we need that candle to turn green. RSI is heated up quite a bit. 9 EMA, quite extended from the volume weighted average. But I tell you what, it's 5 minutes into Power Hour. Power hour, baby. Come on now. Come on. Show some love. Can we get a push to 60 cents? Will it happen? Everything's starting to overheat a little bit. Red candle. Could be a micro pullback. Come on. Could be a micro pullback. Come on. It is overheated on the RSI. Needs to pull back, but the candle is turning green on the 1 minute. 1 minute, 346%. Doubles, 346%. Let's stretch it out like this. Oh my. Shh, be quiet. Be quiet. I'm hunting wabbit. I'm hunting blue ribbon wabbit ice cream. Half and half, chocolate and vanilla. Why not? Why not? Let's hunt it, bro. Come on, micro pullback. Come on, baby. Break it. Break it. You own it. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Huh. All right, folks. That's the show. We love you so much. You guys are amazing. I hope you got a couple of laughs out of the show. More importantly, I hope you learned a lot about the Fibonacci retracement, the RSI, the MACD. We didn't show the MACD, but the MACD, the volume candles, the RSI, the VWAP, the 9 EMA. Knowledge is power, man. Yo, make a lot of money. Alex, make a ton of money, bro. We love you all. You're awesome. It's Coach Nick Money.
And DBL Nicks.
And my boy, DBL Nicks. Wait a minute. I'm getting ready to leave, and look at what it's doing, Doubles. Look at what it's doing, Doubles.
What is it doing? Oh, my.
It's trying to do a breakout, bro. I gotta wait. I'm gonna have some coffee. I'm gonna wait. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 15. It's breaking out, Doubles. Oh, 60 cents. Let's go. 62 cents. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Doubles. Let's go. 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 Doubles. Doubles. Let's go. Let's move this up a little bit. Let's move it up a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. We got another resistance area right here at around 66, 67 cents. Doubles. It's moving. It went up to, what? See, 392%. It's a rocket. Alex, that's going to be the rocket for you to go to Florida on. Get your spacesuit on. I could see you holding on to the QNCX rocket. Let's go, baby. Take your profits. Lock in the profits, baby. Lock it in. The bottom tail, we need it to be a bottom tail green. Bottom tail green. He's now green, 2100. He flipped it around. Let's go. Woo! Power hour. Let's go. Come on, Alex. Come on, Alex. And we had that descending wedge all this time. When did we draw it, Doubles? We drew it right over here, right around here, Doubles, at around 2. What was it? 2:50? No. That was what? What time was it? Military time drives me crazy, bro. Military time always confuses me. What is this? 14. 2 o'clock. Right, 2 o'clock. We had that descending wedge drawn over an hour ago, an hour and 9 minutes ago, and it worked out perfectly. Let's go. I love when a plan comes together. All right, now will it break the 60, what is it right now? 64, 65 cent mark. Will it break it? Will it break it? RSI is overheating, but the volume candles are moving up. 9 EMA is moving up and extended from the VWAP, but the VWAP is curling, and it is the leading gainer with over 1 billion shares of volume. Can it push again? It looks like it's setting up resistance at around 67 cents. Can it go? Can it go? Come on now. What was the highest it went up? 392%? 397%? 397% Doubles? Is that what it was? Can we get over 400? Can we get 420 for the memes? Can we get 420 for the memes? It's pulling back. It's testing. Is this a micro pullback? Is it a micro pullback? Is volume coming in? We got a small red candle over here. We need it to turn green. We need some size on the candle. Let's go. It needs to hold above 59 cents. It looks like it wants to go. Come on now. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,200, 1,300. Let's get to 1,500. Let's share it up. QNCX. Okay. All right. We got SUNE Doubles, 41%. 41%. Alex said he's selling majority, keeping 1,500 shares. I got a feeling it'll run tomorrow. He's feeling like he's going to be a villain tomorrow. That's what Alex said. That's what he said. That's what he's talking about. I hope you make a ton of money, brother. I hope you make a ton of money. It's got to get over that dollar because it's got to be like having issues with NASDAQ because it's under $1, you know? But who knows? You never know if it's going to do it or not do it. I hope it makes it for you, bro. I hope you make a ton of money with it. Let's go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Coach Nick Money and the EVMN. We love you guys. I hope you had a bunch of laughs. I hope you learned a lot. And yeah, make a ton of money. Be greenable. Alex, make even a bigger